The value of instantaneous current in AC circuit, alternating current circuit, is always written I is equal to I naught sine omega t, right? So if there is a phase difference or if there is some initial phase, then we can write in the form of I is equal to I naught sine omega t plus phi. So the instantaneous voltage is also expressed in the form of E is equal to E naught sine omega t, and if there is an initial phase or any phase difference, then we can express in the form of E is equal to E naught sine omega t plus phi, right? And this omega t plus phi is called its phase, right? So what is phase we are going to understand very shortly. And here two things I want to highlight, that this I naught is called its maximum value of current, which is called peak value. In the same way, E naught is also called peak value of voltage, right? So after understanding these 2 points, I want to tell you that alternating current is always changes its direction and its magnitude. The magnitude of current is not always constant. It has some maximum value, minimum value, right? So that is why it is sinusoidal in nature. So while we are calculating current, we have two choices. Either we can calculate average value or RMS value, root mean square value. If you are asked to calculate the average value of alternating current in half cycle, or you may be asked to calculate the average current in full cycle. So there are two ways I want to show you the derivation, right? So the derivation for average current and the derivation for voltage is same, only we will change its values, right? So I want to show you one by one now. So if you are asked, so this is for your full cycle. Okay, in full cycle, if you want to calculate the average current in full cycle, it's always equal to 0, point to be noted. And the derivation I have shown you here, and you have to use this method to find out either you are going to calculate average value of current or average value of voltage, right? In the same way, if you are asked to calculate average value for half cycle, and remember for half cycle it is not 0 and the value is given here, right? The derivation and the value is, you remember, it is 2 I naught upon pi, and if we substitute all the values, we get its value is what? 0.636 I naught, right? So in the same way, if you are calculating about average value for voltage, so we have to use the same method, right? Sometimes in the examination you may be asked its exactly value. So for example, what is the average value of voltage in half cycle or full cycle? So this calculation, of course, for half cycle, sorry, this is, yeah, this is for half cycle. So then either you can write 0.637 E naught, or if you are expressing in the form of percentage, so you can write in this method too. So depends upon the question, and according to that we have to answer, right?